Good morning, and today we have the KitKat as well as Maggi Maker Nestle, who's going to be posting its Q3 current year 20 numbers. Now, last quarter we had seen obviously supply constraints which had impacted the company. That's in current year 20, Q2 current year 20 numbers. So that was something that had impacted the company. But this time around, we're expecting the company to post a revenue growth of around 8.3%. And the revenue is expected to come in at 3,484 crores. Now, in terms of profits, we are expecting a decline of around 4% and it'll come at 570 crores. This is obviously mainly due to the tax reversal in the base quarter, which is actually dragging the profits. So, because of that, we'll be seeing some impact on the profit. In terms of margins, we are expecting 110 basis point expansion, and the margins are expected to be at 24.4% versus 23.3% on a year-on-year basis. Overall, if you go to see, this time around, we have, seen a decline in the low milk prices as well as, benign raw material costs is something that is overall aiding the gross margins of the company. Now, when you move on to the EBITDA margins, that operating margin performance of the company, in that term, we are expecting an expansion, like I mentioned, of 110 basis points. So that expansion is mainly led by obviously the gross margin expansion, which we're going to be seeing due to lower raw material prices, as well as the cost optimization measures which the company has taken is going to be benefiting the Nestle, and we are going to be seeing a margin expansion of 110 basis points. In terms of revenues, obviously what is leading the growth right now, in-home consumption has been high. We are seeing a lot of packaged food also which is being sold. So and now the supply constraints are also not there for the company. So we are seeing that that higher growth in-home consumption is leading to a better demand for the company for prepared dishes as well as beverages, and that is what is leading the growth for the company. Now, a couple of days back we did have Nestle Global make a commentary and give out its earnings. So in that, they did mention about India, saying India has posted a strong mid-single digit growth, and they have seen a good momentum in Maggi, Nescafe as well as KitKat. Overall, what factors are we going to watch out for from Nestle this time? It's going to be obviously the commentary on the demand post the unlocking, post the supply chain constraints which have been gone. So now, how is the demand like? How are they managing to see the sales grow? So that is something that we're going to watch out for. And also, what is the management's commentary on the raw material pricing trend? Are they expecting any inflation, or do they expect these prices to continue? Will be these important factors to watch out for from the management this time around in Nestle's Q3 current year 20 numbers.